Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the ABNB mobile app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the ABNB mobile app, it offers a huge global inventory of stays and experiences. Think homes, apartments, and even local activities, all in a simple, mobile-friendly interface. It includes robust search tools, user reviews, and booking management features, making it a go-to for travel planning. On the downside, users consistently report issues such as misleading listening, last-minute cancellation, and a support system that doesn't always step in when things go wrong. So in conclusion, the ABNB app is worth using if you are comfortable navigating peer-to-peer travel arrangement and want a lot of options, but it's less ideal if you expect hotel level consistency and backup. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.